Hello guys, we will continue Lofner series. So today's word democratic. So first of all, we discussed democratic before understand the word democracy because democracy is democracy words formations democratic words. So we discussed democracy. What is democracy? Democracy is defined simple way form of government in which the rulers are elected by the peoples. In a democracy, the final decisions making power must rest with the those elected by the peoples. Means we are elected representatives, so take a decision in behalf of me. Democracy must be faced on a free and fair elections where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. In a democracy, each adult citizens must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Let us go the word democratic. Democratic government rules within within limits set by the constitutional laws and citizens' right. Democratic is opposed to autocracy, aristocracy, or monarchy. Means a government by the people. The people's irrespective of factors like caste, religion, economic levels, etc., are equal in the eyes of law and manage their own affairs themselves. They have an inalienable right to rule themselves. The concept of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity are an embodiment of a democratic principles in the preamble. In an ancient village republic in India, direct popular democracy was being practiced, but with the increase in the size. So this has been replaced by indirect popular representative democracy. We look six features of democracy are present in indicates a strong democracy. There are respect for basic human rights, a multi-party political system paired with the political tolerance, a democratic voting system, respect for the rule of law, democratic governance and citizens participation. Freedom of religion and speech, inclusiveness and equality, citizenship, consent of the governed, voting rights, freedom from the unwarranted governmental deprivations of the right of life and liberty and minority rights. So these are features of democracy. In India, the democracy is in the wider sense of political, economic, and social democracy. The institution set up under the constitution shall seek to give the effect of democracy in which is to be sustained by the adult suffrage, fundamental rights, and independent judiciary. Article 326 adult suffrage and Article 75 clause 3 and 164 clause 2 executive responsible to legislature are the edifice of the Indian parliamentary democracy. People's participation is a must in the democratic government, and this has been guaranteed by the institutions of Panchayati Raj and local self-government and the recent trends of decentralization of power and transparency at all levels of government. In Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, 1975. It was held by the Supreme Court that democracy is a basic feature of Indian Constitution and free and fair election is also implicitly a basic feature. It Swiss contains direct democracy. In France, Ireland, Japan, and Switzerland system of referendum direct democracy. R.C. Pondyal versus Union of India. Supreme Court held that democracy is the people's power and states' power, which in the papers.